All right, class, what's going on? This is called Genius Home Studios. This is homestudios.genius.com. Okay, we've been working a lot with our 808 clones, and you're kind of wondering, all right, so why are we learning how to do this stuff? Doesn't sound too good. Well, with more modern beat making and sequencers, we can make this sound very modern, very cool. All right. So really quick, just an overview. We have our play button here. Okay. We have our back to the beginning or rewind button here. Our time here. Our BPM is right here, slower and faster. And our bars, how many bars we're going to be creating. All I want you to do is when you get to this website is press reset. Okay. And then you're going to be all set. Now, we're going to add a couple things in here. I'm going to add an 808 first, okay, which is kind of like a low end sounding drone. I'm going to add a kick here. All right, I'm just clicking these, a hi-hat and a snare, okay? Simple. So just like we had done in our 808 clone, sorry, I keep moving myself around. Just like we had done with our 808 clone, I'm going to put our 808 on our 1 and our 7. Yes, the duration is 4, but the beginning of it hits 7. The same thing with kick, 1 and 7. Okay, I'm going to copy that into bar 2. See, bar 2 starts with 1 again, 1 through 16. We had 16 beats in our sequencer on our 808 clone, so this is very similar. Now you're understanding where these numbers are coming from and how to manipulate them, okay? So 1 and 7, all right? I'm going to add my snare on 9, boom, 9. I'm going to go back to my second bar. All I'm doing to scroll over like that is, is grabbing this thing on the bottom here, and I'm moving that back and forth, all right? So snare on 9. See, it says snare 9, boom, okay? Really quick, that sounds like this. Okay. Cool. So I can speed that up if I want to. I'm going to bring it up to maybe 104. Whoa, 10, whatever, 105 works. Hi-hats, every other one on our odd numbers. Okay. Oops. 13, 15. All right. Then bar 2. I'm just repeating this. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15. All right. Check it out. Way cool, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some kick at the end, just like I normally do, just so it turns around after 2 bars. It'll do a turnaround. All right. Then check that out. Bar 2. Cool. All right. Now I'm going to make this have a cool modern synth sound. I'm going to use this thing called The Haunting. You have a bunch of different types of sounds. You have Saturn, Pogo, The Haunting, and you can play around with this stuff. Just use The Haunting because I like it. I'm going to press that, and it adds it right into our workspace. I'm going to press 1 on bar 1, and it's going to apply it to the entirety of bar 1 and bar 2. All right. So cool. Okay. Awesome. So now we're having like this more, like I said, a more modern sound. You have these cool synths that are pre-made for you. You can pick the one that you'd like, and please make the beat very similar to the one I just created. Again, you can be creative if you want to. With that being said, all you have to do is press this download button here and press download. And then it downloads as a WAV file. Okay, WAV file holds more information, therefore it's a little bit cleaner than an MP3. But it is not code, it is an actual audio file. And then you're going to upload that audio file to Google Classroom. If you have any questions, please email me.